As hard as ain't skipping a beat, yeah, that's a full pass. When you hear a car that is skipping a beat, popping it back, yeah, that's the difference. No full pass. I got some different stickers that I found. I need to be passing them out too. I forgot I had these. I don't know if they any good. The biggest shirt you brought to the track. I brought a 4X tonight. Yeah, 4X. Am I racing tonight? Yeah. There you go. Big. There you go. Take that one too. Uh-oh, he blowing that whistle, y'all. Got them stickers on there. What's up with it? Look at y'all on my YouTube channel. What's up with it, man?
Is your son here today?
No. What's up with it? Look out. Oh. Oh no. That's my YouTube channel. Look out racing, man. Hey, miss. Look. Y'all scared? I'm trying to. Oh, I thought y'all was trying to ignore me or something. Oh no, they said they ain't trying to ignore me, y'all. Nah, he ain't. I ain't how he got a turbo. Well, that's putting it in the back. Oh yeah, now I seen you can put them turbos in the back. Look out, look out. Here, this is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Check it out, man. That's my channel. Y'all want to put y'all shout out in one time for the one time?
For the one time?
Yeah, man. Your Instagram or something. Y'all bring y'all car or something? Okay, okay.
Appreciate it, dog.
Already. You know Limpy? You don't know Limpy? You know Limpy? Okay. I thought he knew Limpy. Okay, okay. You know Limpy. Hey! You know Limpy. Do you know Limpy? You don't know? Do you know Limpy?
Hey,
no.
Para atrás.
Para atrás. Limpy a bad motherfucker, man. Do you know Limpy?
Shit right here, bro. When we talked about that.
Oh, that's some shit you would do?
No, not me.
God damn, I ain't know you was gonna eat the whole thing.
Man, my mouth water, it made me hurt a little bit.
So all
this nigga does food is nothing but fucking eating fucking hot shit, peppers.
Hey, let me get a shrimp fried rice with extra juice in it. You know how they put extra juice in the combination fried rice? Yeah.
Take a shower. Get ready for what?
Let me get a.
You meet me there or what?
Word.
He heard me though, didn't he? You ain't down, boy.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I like chilling with Omar, y'all.
What happened last time, Q?
I got drunk.
And what happened?
What happened?
What happened? What happened to you?
Ah, shit, it was too much for me. I know how to slow it down now. I gotta take. Damn. That BMW went right by his ass.
If I'm buying, how you gonna slow down?
Huh? I'm ready.
If I'm buying, how you gonna slow down?
I'm gonna take my time.
How? You'll be with me.
You ain't gotta drink the motherfucker as he's buying them.
He be
I'll
wanting
let the bitches pile up.
And nah, he be like, nah, bro, that look tacky. He don't want nothing.
That's
He don't want no pile
now
up.
He's gonna pay the tab.
Yeah.
Pay my own tab and fuck that. They ain't finna dope fiend me, nigga.
He gonna be saying he doing it. He gonna say, look, I'm taking as much as you. He might hit another shot.
Get 3 or 1.
Yeah. 3 to 1.
You a big nigga, you ain't.
Yeah, so what? Oh shit, I gotta move my car. I gotta move my car. Hey dude, I gotta move my car, dude.
Dude, move your car.
Move your shit.
Okay. Welcome to Mignon, I may help you? Yeah. Let me get a combination fried rice with extra shrimp. Yeah, let me get a combination. Extra shrimp. Excuse me. Okay, you like extra shrimp? Combination fried rice?
Look at this. I come here so much. What numbers does that say?
Oh wait, damn, that's
No.
a bad. Mike.
You got
Damn, he know your name.
Show the camera, bro. Look at that. Mike, not even
Yeah.
a number.
Damn. Yeah, let me get a combination fried rice with extra shrimp.